been a while. How are you doing? I hope you're good. So today I'll show you how I make passion juice. So let's get to that right away. I'll start off with washing all the passion fruits and then put them back into the yellow basket. So I now have all the passion fruits ready, clean for the next step. I will be putting the sliced passion fruits in the blue basin. Then scoop off the content into the red container. This is going to be my bin for the day. Straight into splitting the passion fruits into two now. One ready sliced passion fruit, several to go now. Looking so juicy. And getting more juicier. Making of passion juice is something my mom did since we were kids. It's the only thing I would take in the morning before going to school and not have nausea. Hence my love for passion juice. I'm all done now with slicing the passion fruits. I'll now be scooping the content with the spoon and putting it in the red container. The purple basin is going to be my bin. Now let's start off the scooping process. I ain't leaving anything inside, scooping everything out. Exactly how Mama taught me. Also, make sure to keep your hands clean at all times. Mornings were always full of awesomeness as I left for school after taking a glass full of delicious passion juice. Clearly, Ma was preparing me for a healthy eating journey as a small kid. Healthy eating habits is something I've come to really appreciate as a grown-up, especially during these corona times. Healthy eating habits come in handy. One of the health benefits of passion fruit is that it is a very rich source of antioxidant which helps boost the immune system. That's the juice that remained at the bottom of the blue basin. This is the scooped content, and that right there is the bin full of the remains. I will be putting the juice that remained in the blue basin into the red container and then use it all together. Nothing goes to waste here. time to now put the scooped content into the blender. After putting the scooped content into the blender, I realized I was being extra, so I had to remove at least half of the content out. Since nothing goes to waste here, I will be rinsing off the blue basin with water, which I'll put inside the blender. Then add a little bit more water into the blender. It's now about time I started blending. But first, let's make sure everything is well connected to start blending. Let the blending begin. So now it's time to save the blended juice. Using a spoon makes the process faster. Yay! Finally, my juice is ready! I can already feel the yumminess coming through. You can add sugar for a better taste. The hot water I'm adding is for helping the sugar melt faster. Then it's time to stir like your life depends on it. Koroga koroga upate nguvu. And let's see one more last time. Feeling the yumminess coming through like I am. Taking this juice is gonna be lit. I can already feel it. Let's get that yumminess stored in a bottle. Yes, to more juice. Let's store this yumminess to chill to make it more yummier. So that's all for passion juice. I'll be back shortly with another video about making carrot juice. See you shortly. Bye bye.